Let me show you how to achieve classic rose head wrap.
Dead baby, what's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha sha sha. Everyone need a space to glow.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how we achieve this classic rose gele head wrap. Yes, all you need is just concentration. Please focus your eye on my hand. I want to thank every one of you for always checking on me. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below, share, like. Thank you. Yes, first thing, you divide your fabric into two 50-50 equal. So then you create as many pleats you can create. Lowest pleat you can create is 4. Don't create less than 4. So you create 4, then you reserve a little bit of material to cover the back side. Okay. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. We are into many in one beauty. We do photo shoot. I have studio in London. Come and have your photo shoot. We do photo shoot, different type of photo shoot, birthday photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot. We do makeup. We do gele. So all this makeup was done off camera. So if you want to see most of my job, go to my Instagram, Dead Beauty. We do traditional bridal hair as well, okuku and the white hair, bridal hair. Okay. Yes, what we are doing now, after you create your pleating at the front, then you cross it at the back, then you continue. Make sure your gele is very firm. Tell your customer to help you to secure and hold it for you. Hold the part you need to hold. Okay, what we are doing now, we are creating more pleating to be on top of the one we already achieved before. So the reason we say this rose is classic, you know, this front pleating, you can do without this front pleating and you still achieve rose. So without this front pleating, we always call that rose quick rose. So this one that we are doing now, we are unable to achieve more pleating. So with that, the head wrap will look so beautiful. Okay, so just focus your eye on my hand. So see what we are going to do. After you manage to create another pleating from this side, then you tell your customer to help you to hold it. Then you create pleating from the other side as well. Just see the way we are going to do it. Then that's it. In case you are watching me for the first time, I have 2 YouTube channels. The other of my new YouTube is Dead Beauty Life. I always do live on YouTube there. Anytime I'm on live on Facebook, the same time I come live on YouTube, and we upload different gist there as well. Go and subscribe to my new YouTube channel, Dead Beauty, get Dead Beauty Live. Yes, thank you. And if you are watching me from Facebook, I have 3 Facebook page. Please, if you can follow me for my 3 page, I will appreciate. This one where you watch me from now is Dead Beauty. The other one is Dead Beauty Live, Dead Beauty Live News. The other one is Dead Beauty Gist. I have 3 page. So we do different things in each page. You will enjoy and you will love them. Okay, what we are doing now, the pleating we achieve from this way, we just make sure we use pin to secure it, and just use that secure the back, because we are going to work on this excess now. So right now, make sure you secure the back with pin. So the leftover that was coming from the other side before, we are going to use this one to create small rose at the top. Oh my God. Sorry, my people. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 800 styles on my YouTube channel. Go and rock. I teach how to achieve it by yourself. Different style, different quick head wrap. I have different style. Go and rock my YouTube channel and this my Facebook. This particular Facebook as well. This my Facebook is always busy. That is the reason I always tell people to go to my YouTube. My YouTube channel is more easier to get any video you are searching. So in case you don't like this style, I have different head wrap style. I have 800 videos. 800 videos on my YouTube channel. Different style, how to do it yourself. Yes, we are almost there. I hope you are concentrating. We sell makeup product as well, and we sell perfume. If you want to purchase, if you want to buy anything from me, my number, or you want to book me for your event, my number is always on my video at the end part of it. My number is there. Call me. I'm based in London, United Kingdom, UK. Book me, call me for your event, and try and patronize me for makeup product and perfume as well. Yes, my birthday is this week. This Friday is my birthday. This Friday is my birthday. My birthday, I will be 4 and 2. This Friday, please leave your comment for me. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for always checking on me. Thank you. I really appreciate. Please, I would love to see your comments. I would love to see your comments on the comment section. Please drop your comment for me. As you do so, God will bless you. I just want to see your comments. Okay? Write comment for me. This is the final. She is ready to go. Okay. Thank you, everyone. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house. Carry me